Bless you!
Alright, I can't focus. Alright. One. I got it. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for.
Oh my gosh. Damn! All I had left is like enough to pay my bill at the end of the month and shit. And some top ramen. What the fuck? I can't speak right now. Thank you.
Okay, the computer spirit is back in the room. Oh, it's in your nose. Oh god. What? Can we just take a second to realize what the fuck just happened?
For promo. Catch me. Ooh. Your destiny. Wait, what? Hey, this is weird. I love how we're actually.
I ride a 775. Yeah, like this one time I was doing an interview and I sneezed all over my hand.
Look at this tiny piece of hair. Fix someone else's. I mean, we're a population of unperfect people expecting each other to be perfect. It's just, it doesn't work. I'm gonna sneeze 1 sec. I don't even.
Neither of us got the roles in this film, so we carried with us a certain sense of comfort from the thing. Oh my god. I literally
nose tickle.
Just did that.
Give it up!
Sal, why do we need to leave so early?
If you stick around, people take advantage of you, place their orders with you for all sorts of shit. Bikinis and condoms and Vegemite and God knows what else.
Right.
We go to Copenhagen, we sell the dope, we buy the rice, we come back, that's it.
It's really difficult to put in frame.
And at this point, it is incredibly difficult. That wasn't.
Well, seems it's the house. You guys just got to enjoy me sneezing. So enjoy.
Guys, I'm gonna sneeze. Say banana. If you say banana, you don't sneeze anymore.
Well, I want to sneeze. I want to get it out.
No. Say banana.
It came out.
Chill. I can't fucking stop sneezing.
Is for tickets or whatever, it's gonna be really fun, so just make sure you go check it out.
Mind. Does it make you want to put a knife in your face? You can stop fondling your window. There's all... Bless you. There's all kinds of things you can... Bless you. There's all...
Wait, what? No. Ew.
Panathinaikos.
They're a very good Greek team.
Yes.
Doing very well in the Greek Championship right now.
Bolton Wanderers.
Bolton Wanderers. Hey, we all know who the only Wanderers are, and it's not Bolton, if you know what I'm saying.
I don't know what you're saying.
Nobody knows what I'm saying, it's alright.
What is it, conference?
Why don't you point down? Harry?
I've...
because we knew it was a small venue that fit 300. Let's go.